In the video today, I'm going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S26 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you want to do is go to the phone app and make sure you're on the keypad tab. You're going to type in star pound 06 and pound. This will show your IMEI. You want to write down the first number at the top here. We're going to use this in the next step of the video. Next, hit your home button. We're going to go to Google Chrome to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. Starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Samsung. And then we're going to go down to the Galaxy S26. So all the way down to Galaxy S26. And notice on the website you can unlock a 26, a 26 Plus, or a 26 Ultra. From here, we're going to tap Unlock Phone. On the next page here, it will ask you to fill out a few more questions. So one, what country you purchased the phone in, the carrier you were currently using it with. In my case, it's going to be AT&T. You're going to type in the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video, and then you're going to tap the Unlock Now button. It will give you options to check out and pay, and from there, it will start a clock. It usually takes anywhere from 1 hour to around 3 days for them to reply with the unlocking instructions. Right here, it will show you the average turnaround time for them to reply. What they're going to do is they're going to send you an email that's going to have the current unlocking instructions for that model and for that carrier. Now keep in mind that the process to unlock phones does change from time to time. That's why the time frame can vary in terms of them getting back to you. Now, one of the things I love about this website is at the very top, they do give you 4 different ways to contact the company in the event you need to follow up on an order. So you have a phone number you can call, a number to text, a number to email, and a WhatsApp number. So 4 different ways to contact if you need to follow up on an order. Now, once you get the unlocking instructions, you're going to follow them, and then you'll restart the phone. And then after that, the phone should be ready to go to use it with any carrier. Now, you want to have the SIM card of the service you want to use the phone with handy so you can test it right after you do the unlock. All right. I'll leave a link down below in the description of the website, and happy unlocking to you guys. By the way, this is a sponsored video that is in collaboration with the Unlocking Company, and I hope you guys found this helpful. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.